webinar on ICP DAS new products. In the past year, we released many intelligent industrial data acquisition, data communication, and control products. We'll start with a brief introduction, then introduce ICP DAS data loggers that come with apps for control and monitoring of temperature, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and dew point from a smartphone. Then we'll introduce data acquisition modules, touchscreen PLCs, Modbus gateways, and protocol converters that convert Modbus to other protocols like Hart. We'll also discuss serial port sharing devices that allow slaves to talk to multiple masters, and Microsoft CE.NET 7.0 based programmable automation controllers. After we introduce our new ICP DAS products, we'll demonstrate using Indusoft Web Studio 8.0 SCADA software. Steve Sin in our technical support department is going to be doing the demonstration. If you have any questions at any time, please enter them into the chat box. I'm Maria Limoni, Sales Manager here at ICP DAS USA. ICP DAS was established in 1993. ICP DAS USA was established in 2001. We offer easy-to-use industrial data acquisition, data communication, wireless, and control equipment. We provide free technical support, software utilities, and demo programs with purchase of our products, and provide programming services and training classes as needed. We have application engineers available that can help spec in products based on your product requirements. We recently introduced DL303, a new multifunctional data logger with a 2.8-inch touchscreen that displays and logs temperature, humidity, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and dew point information. You can store up to 450,000 records with it. It has relay outputs and alarms built in for when carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide levels are outside of the desired levels. It supports Modbus RTU, DCON, Modbus TCP, M2M, IoT, Internet of Things, and MQTT protocols for communication. It has RS-485 and Ethernet ports on board. It can be powered over Ethernet or with a 10 to 30 VDC power supply. It integrates easily with HMI and SCADA systems. It comes with an easy-to-use iOS and Android app for smartphone-based control and monitoring. We provide a few different intelligent data loggers that come with smartphone apps. DL301 measures carbon monoxide, and DL302 measures carbon dioxide. They all measure temperature, humidity, and dew point. The iPhone iOS app works for all three of these intelligent data loggers. The Android app works with DL302. The DL300 series data loggers are widely used in greenhouse applications. The touchscreen display shows carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity information. The data is logged and displayed on a SCADA system running on a PC. Relay outputs control sprinklers and shades based on the temperature levels. Other touchscreens like the TPD430 show temperature and humidity information around the greenhouse and are used for manually controlling equipment. Email alarms are sent out from the SCADA system to alert personnel when measurements are outside the desired levels, so adjustments can be made accordingly. Besides data loggers, we also released many new data acquisition modules, including our CAN 2017D DeviceNet analog input slave module with current and voltage input types. It supports a wide operating temperature range between negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 25 C to 75 Celsius. It's being used in factory automation, remote data acquisition, packaging, machine control, and environmental monitoring systems. It supports DeviceNet protocol and is used to bring analog input information back to a host PC, PLC, or embedded controller for analysis and control. Our new TPD 280M series are touchscreen PLC and HMI automation devices. They each have a 2.8-inch high-resolution TFT color touchscreen and fit in regular electrical wall mount outlets. They support Modbus RTU protocol and integrate easily with I/O modules, drives, motors, and Modbus RTU instrumentation equipment. They come with free HMIWorks development software that supports programming in C language and ladder logic. It's a drag-and-drop type point-and-click interface for creating HMI graphical user interface and logic control programs. They also come with free demo programs and training videos to help your application's development quickly. Based on the success of our previous TouchPAD series, this new M series features color plates in white, gray, and black. The gray and black versions are metal and are very durable for industrial use. The 7-inch TPD 703 is another touch HMI device we recently released and is ideal for automation applications, including building automation. It's equipped with a 7-inch high-resolution TFT color touchscreen. It has a screen brightness of 250 candela per square meter. We have another version, the TPD 70364, that has a screen brightness of 400 candela per square meter in case you need a brighter screen. These are widely used for switching from mechanical knobs, push buttons, switches, and levers to intelligent touchscreen-based control pads. They have a real-time clock for scheduling operations and can be powered over Ethernet or with a 10 to 30 VDC power supply. We released Modbus Data concentrators that perform up to 200 Modbus RTU commands to read or write to and from Modbus slave devices via RS-232 or RS-485. They allow up to 8 Modbus TCP masters to get the pulled data via Ethernet. These help save time since the masters pull one device instead of having to pull hundreds of slave devices all one by one. The MDC 714 has a built-in web server for quick and easy configuration and viewing of information for performed results of each Modbus RTU command on the RS-232 RS-485 bus. It mirrors the data of the slave devices to its own shared memory. The I-7590 is a one-channel RS-232 or RS-485 or RS-422 to M-bus converter. It supports 100 M-bus slaves and has a watchdog inside. M-bus is also known as meter bus. It's a bus used for remote reading of gas or electricity meters. The I-7590 offers conversion from 3 communication types, RS-232, RS-422, and RS-485 to Modbus. 2 rotary switches allow for quick mode change from a serial port baud to MPORS port baud. The TSH-735 module is a serial port sharer that provides a number of functions including baud rate conversion, Modbus RTU ASCII conversion, and 2 masters share 1 slave. It has a built-in web server for configuration. This device has baud rate and Modbus RTU ASCII conversion features, so the baud rate conversion makes it possible to communicate between master and slave devices. It allows for differences in baud rates and data formats to be sent. Modbus RTU ASCII conversion allows for a single Modbus RTU master device to communicate with Modbus RTU ASCII slave devices through different protocols, baud rates, and formats. The Viewpack VP 4131 is equipped with a PXA 270 CPU at 520 MHz, runs Windows CE.NET 5.0 operating system, has various communications, USB, Ethernet, RS-232/485, has 3 slots for expanding I/O and communication, a 10.4-inch TFT LCD touchscreen, and it has many advantages, including hard real-time capability, small core size, a fast boot speed. It has interrupt handling at a deeper level, and it's has a competitive cost. Running Windows CE.NET 5.0 in the Viewpack gives it the ability to run PC-based control software, such as Visual Basic.NET, Visual C#, Embedded Visual C++, and SCADA software. Microsoft CE.NET 7.0 is an advanced operating system for industrial communication. We recently released some programmable automation controllers with Windows CE.NET 7.0, including the IWS 4201 CE7. It has a touchscreen on board for an array of HMI applications. It also has many different kinds of interface connectivity, like Gigabit Ethernet, a USB port, RS-232, and RS-485. The onboard flash memory comes with the operating system pre-installed. You can expand on this product with remote I/O over Ethernet, RS-485, and Zigbee. The front panel is NEMA 4 IP65 rated, so this device can withstand being sprayed with water, extreme dust, and humidity. The fanless design offers quiet operation, and its casing and components can run under a wide operating temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Intusoft SCADA software runtime that comes inside of this pack has many features. You can receive real-time online alarm messages, binary logs, generate reports, and display information. This can be used with databases for information retrieval. You can also send email alarms. You can work with printers or smartphones. There are many drivers available for interfacing with different types of instrumentation equipment. You can also use it with the OPC server. You can make your own drivers. With the Thin Client feature, you can get remote access to your devices over a web page. Another Windows CE.NET 7.0 pack we provide is a Windpack product. The WP9821 is a rugged pack, and it has a AM3354 ARM CPU, dual gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB ports, VGA ports, an SD card slot, and redundant power inputs. In case one of the power supplies goes down, you could use the other one. Here's a closer look into the ports that the WP9821 has. The GTM203M 3GWA is a quad-band 3G WCDMA industrial cellular modem equipped with RS-232 and USB interfaces. It operates on quad-band WCDMA 850, 900, 1900, and 2100 MHz, and quad-band GSM 850, 900, 1800, and 1900 MHz frequencies. The GTM203M 3GWA supports 3G in areas where 3G service is available. This device has the ability to auto-switch between 3G or GPRS signals to maintain a continuous connection. It can be used in applications like remote monitoring and control, water, gas, and oil flow metering, power station monitoring, control, and fleet management. Now let's look at another product, Hart to fiber converters. Hart 227CS is a Hart to fiber converter designed to further extend the communication distance through fiber optic connections. This device is ideal for having Hart devices transmit information across a fiber transmission medium because it converts Hart signals over fiber optic cabling. Hart 250 resistor dip switch adjuster is built in, as well as features for detecting when a break occurs between the fiber connections. Hart Highway Addressable Remote Transducer Protocol is a popular communication protocol in industrial automation and control applications. Hart was introduced in the late 1980s by Rosemount and has now become one of the largest communication protocols with more than 30 million Hart devices worldwide. It helps with data communicate between industrial systems and smart devices. Usually current industrial control and monitoring systems communicate over 4 to 20 milliamp analog wiring. Hart protocol can send and receive data over 4 to 20 milliamp analog wires and communicates the data over digital signals as well. The data can be read by all smart field devices. Hart protocol can work under two modes, point-to-point or analog-digital mode, or multi-drop mode or digital. The Hart protocol can work under two modes, point-to-point, as you can see here. Hart modules are configured with the same group ID and can communicate with one or another through fiber networks. Under a star network type topology, a layout that works with fiber switches, different Hart fiber networks can be easily distinguished. In this application image, you can see Hart can be used for extending communication over fiber with our Hart 227CS. Before Steve does a demonstration on Indusoft 8.0 SCADA software, I want to mention some of our company benefits like customized product and OEM capabilities, low lead times, and personalized care. We provide industrial products at competitive prices and keep up with the latest technology. We offer free technical support and offer a wide variety of modular solutions that meet many different kinds of application requirements. I will now pass the presentation over to Steve, who's going to be doing a demonstration on Indusoft SCADA software.
Thank you, Maria. Today I will show you the new Indusoft Web Studio 8.0 SCADA software. So this is the new interface, features logical tooth and object grouping, and the ability to open multiple documents simultaneously. The project Explorer is on the left side. You can see you have different options to choose. The new database by and output window will on the bottom will show the output and tag information. Customers can create different screens to meet any application requirement using the tool in our graphic interface. Right here, you can create screen and screen group. Combine built-in object and to create any functionality required. Store graphics in the library for future use and easily make object across the product line. Right now, I'm trying to run the demo program. Here is some new feature and animation on Indusoft. Animation gives you great command over graphics in a user-friendly interface. Place object, image, and even rotate them using custom rotation points. Fill bar graphs with color or adjust the scale of object with easy-to-use configuration. Other animation includes command for touch keyboard and mouse interaction, hyperlink, text link, text data link, color resize, and position. On active object, customer can use the third-party controls to enhance the project, like ActiveX and .NET control are supported, allowing you to add functionality such as browser, medium player, live streaming from cameras, or other ActiveX or .NET control. The recipe management maintains consistency by automating part parameter or production quantity with flexible recipe management tools. The reports tool allow users to create clean report in text, RTF, XML, PDF, HTML, and CSV format, or integrate with Microsoft Office programs such as Excel. This will show real-time and historical trends that log data in binary format or to any local or remote SQL database. Color and fill trends with graphic elements to enhance clarity of data. Daytime, base, or XY port give you the option to display information that best suits your application. The alarm and events are real-time and historical. Log data in binary format to any database. Other than all the alarm function you expect, Intuisoft can send online alarm or report using multimedia format like PDF. Trends, alarms, event can connect to any SQL database like MySQL, Access, Excel, even from Windows Embedded CE. Intuisoft offers a built-in interface that doesn't require knowledge of SQL. The new Intuisoft also supports multi-touch interface. It develops applications for devices that feature touchscreens. It allows development for any touchscreen-enabled device. Use modern interface gesture like pinch, zooming, and pending. Score full alarm using swiping gestures. Inertia in the multi-touch interface offer a comfortable user experience. Rotates graphics, docks screen, and take advantage of features like dual touch command. Now I will show you the thin clients. Let's see over here. You see web, mobile access, and mobile access. The thin client is used for remotely viewed screen as web page using Internet Explorer web browser. Mobile access is one of the thin clients available from Intuisoft that use SMA Studio Mobile Access to monitor or access process, value, and alarm with remote device, such as tablet and mobile phone. Enhanced SMA offers data in easy-to-read widgets that can be viewed on any HTML5-based web browser found on iPad, Android phone, and tablet. This is the location you will create the specification for those mobile access. Now I will show you how to use it. This one is one of the demo program for mobile access. It's showing the specified information on any web-enabled mobile device. There are many industry use SCADA to integrate with the system. For example, the solar power, you can just monitor from the web browser. Bioenergy, we can also show alarms, the trigger alarms over here. Selected screen can be displayed on a screen tab, just like the animation on Intuisoft. Process value can also switch the output on or off. You can also edit text and read gauges reading, etc. When you tap on trends, you can display live data on your mobile device. Customer can select which data to be displayed. Any questions? You can enter your question in the chat box.
Or if you have any questions later, you can always send us an email or call us. Thank you so much for attending the webinar. And this video will be posted on our website under training videos. I'll also be sending all of the attendees a link